Yes, now students, now word problems, see here. So, first word problem, a bag of rice weight 84 kgs. There are 340 such bags. Find the total weight of a rice contained them. Here, one bag weight is given. One bag weight is given, that is 84 kgs, and 340 bags weight he is asking. If one quantity is given, more he is asking, then what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to multiply. A unit quantity, about a unit quantity is given, then he is asking more, then what we have to do? We have to multiply. Then here, solution first. Then one rice bag weight, rice bag weight, how much? 84 kgs, 84 kg. Then 340 rice bags weight is equal to 340 is multiplied with 84. Then 340 multiply with 84. First we have to multiply with 4. This 340 we have to multiply with 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16, 6 and 1 carry over on hundreds place. 4 to 3 is 12, 12 plus 1, 13, with 4 is over. Now with 8 we have to multiply. 8 in tens place, that is 80, so we have to keep a 0 first. Now we have to multiply with 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fours are 32, 2 in tens place and 3 carry over on hundreds place. 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27, 27. Now you add 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 7 plus 1, 8, 2. This many kgs. How much? 340 rice bags weight, rice bags weight. How much? 28,560 kgs. This many kgs, that how many? 340 rice bags weight. Okay. Next, the second question, 170 balls can be packed in a carton. In one carton, how many balls can be packed? 170. Then find the total number of balls that can be packed in 750 cartons. Here, about one carton is given and he is asking more. Unit is given, asking more means what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to multiply. Then number of balls in one carton. Number of balls in one carton. One carton, how many balls? 170. 170 balls were there. Then total balls in how many cartons? 750 cartons is equal to 750 is multiplied with 170. 170. Now 750 we have to multiply with 170. Now first we multiply with 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 fives are 0, 0 sevens are 0. Now we have to multiply with 7. 7 in tens place, so first we keep a 0 in unit place. Now we start. 7 zeros are 0, 7 fives are 35, 5 in 100 and carry over on hundreds place. 7 sevens are 49, 50, 51, 52. Now with 1. 1 is in hundreds place, 1s and tens place 0, then 1. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 sevens are 7. 0, here 0, 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 7, 12. 1,27,500. So this total balls. Total balls 1,27,500 27,500. These many balls were there in total 750 cartons. 750 cartons. Okay. Now, there are 365 days in a year. How many days are there in 15 years? In 1 year, about 1 year he is given. So, we have to find 15 years, means 1 unit. Unit is given, more he is asking, means multiply, means number of days in 1 year. Number of days in 1 year, how many? 365 days. 365 days. Number of days in 15 years. So, we have to multiply 365 with 15. 365 with 15 we have to multiply. 365 multiply with 15. 5 5s are 25 and 2. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 3. 5 3 are 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18. Again with 1. 1 is in tens place, first you take a 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 3s are 3. 5, 7, 14 and 1. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Total days, number of days in 15 years. Number of days in 15 years. 5,400 and this many days were there in 15 years. 5,475 days in 15 years. Okay. Here, first, in this fourth question, a box contains 250 apples. There are 150 such boxes. Find the quantity of apples contained in them. Here, one box, about one box he has given and asking 150 boxes. So, means 1 is given, more he is asking. So, that means we have to multiply. We have to multiply. See here. Apples in one box. Apples in one box. How many apples are there in one box? 250. Then, so in 150 boxes, how many apples we have to find? Number of apples in in 150 boxes. What we have to do? We have to multiply 250 with 150. 250 with 150. Then 250 we have to multiply with 150. First with 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Now with 5. 5 zeros are 0. Here 5 0, no 5, here is it is in tens place. So, we have to keep a 0 in unit place. Now, you start from here. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25 and 2 carry over on hundreds place. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Then, after that 1 is in hundreds place, 2 zeros we have to take. 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. Now, add 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 37,500. Therefore, total apples, total how many apples? Total apples how many? 37,500. In 150 boxes, how many apples are there? 37,500 apples were there. Okay. Now, fifth question. A train runs at a speed of 76 km per hour. In 1 hour, what is the train speed? 76 hours. Means it covers 76 kilometers. And after that what he has given, it is travelled for 2765 hours. In 1 year, so it travels this many kilometers, this many hours. Then how much total distance it covered in 1 year? So per hour distance is given, so this many hours he is asking. So means per hour means 1 hour is given and more he is asking. Means what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to multiply distance travelled by the train in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much? 76 kilometers. Now, distance covered by the distance travelled by the train in 2765 hours. What we have to do? We have to multiply 2765 with 76. 2765 with 76. Here 2765 with 76. Now first you multiply with 6. 6 5s are 30 and 3 carry over on tens place. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 39. 9 is in tens place, 3 carry over on hundreds place. 6 7s are 42, 43, 44, 45. 5 is in hundreds place and 4 carry over on thousands place. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then after that with 70. 7 is in tens place, first we keep a 0, then you start multiplication with 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 is in tens place, 3 carry over on tens place. 7 6 are 42, 43, 44, 45. 5 is in tens place and 4 carry over on tens, hundreds place. 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 3 is in thousands place and 5 carry over on thousands place. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5, 19. 0, add this. 9 plus 5, 14. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. This many kilometers. So, train travels this many kilometers in 2765 hours. Distance covered by the train covered in how many hours? 2765 hours is equal to 2,10,140 kilometers. This many kilometers train travels, so in 2765 hours, that is total in 1 year this many hours it travels. It means this much distance it covers. So this is our fifth word problem. One more word problem is there, that is a similar, that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Yes, now students, so here, so maths lab activity. So by using this activity, so how should we find the multiplication using fingers? How to find multiplication using fingers? First here, so see here, so this is your small finger, so then in this order you have to write your numbers from here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Small finger to the thumb, small finger to thumb. So our order is from here, small finger to thumb side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also same. Where from? Small finger to thumb. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means this represents 6, this is a 7, this is 8, this is 9 and this is 10. In the same way, so left hand, this represents 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From where? From small finger to thumb. From small finger to thumb. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, so how to find our multiplication values? First, I want to join. So this right side 7th and left side 8th finger, means like this. So 1, 2 means 6th, 7th. This 7th, 6th, 7th, 8th. These two fingers I want to join like this. Like this I want to join. Means 6, 7. 7th finger I joined. Here 6th, 7th, 8th. 8th number I joined. So I want to find 7 into 8. 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. 7 and 8 value I want to find. This is 7 and 8. So this finger shows 7 and this finger shows 8. So you join these two fingers 7 and 8. Then 7 adds the value you have to find. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 into 8, this value 7 into 8. You have to find 7 into 8. For that, so you have to count, you make a box from here to here. From here, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers are there? 5 fingers are there, including this, including so these joining fingers. Including these joining fingers, we have to count how many fingers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 fingers are there including joint fingers, then we take 50. If 6 fingers are there, then 60. If 7 fingers are there, in 70. So then it is 50. 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many tens? 5 tens. It is 50. Okay. Then after this, then above how many fingers are there? Left side 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are there on right side? 1, 2. Now you find 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Now you add 50 plus 6. What is 50 plus 6? 56. Then 7 8s are 56 you will get. 7 8s are 56 you will get in this way. Once again, first you give numbers from small finger to the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you join any two fingers, that is your wish. So here we are joining this 7th number and 8th number, 7 and 8. 7 8s we have to find. How to find 7 8s value? See here, including these fingers, this all are comes under shows tens. How many tens? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens. 5 tens 50. So the tens problem is over. Now ones. How to get ones? Then how many fingers left above these fingers? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers on left hand and 2 fingers in right hand. Then you find 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. Now add this 50 plus 6. This is tens and this is units. Tens and units. 50 plus 6, 56. Now you check 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. So not only this, if you want to do any other fingers also, you will get your answer. Okay, by using and intersecting here, joining your fingers, different fingers, then you will find your multiplication. Okay, this is your lab activity. If you want to try, then try for more. Okay, other fingers also. Okay.